In this episode of I Tried It, I'm going to provide you an update on a video that I did that claimed that you could make $2,300 per week with affiliate marketing. I'm going to provide a review of the process, how much money I've made so far. You're not going to want to miss this video because I'm actually doing the dirty work so that you don't have to. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so earlier this month, I actually watched a video by Smart Money Tactics where he claimed that you could use this AI bot, which we're going to talk about in just a moment, where you can make $2,300 per week with affiliate marketing. So let me just quickly review and walk you through the process. What he claims that you can do is go to this website called writer.me, and you're going to let the AI robot write for you. It's going to actually come up with headings and subheadings. You are going to copy the text that comes from Writer into a Google Doc. You are going to go over to ClickBank and find different affiliate programs that are congruent with your blog post or your articles. You're going to embed those links right into your article, and then you are going to upload them into a site called SlideShare. Now, in my initial video, I talked about a number of problems. One of the biggest problems, there's a few, one of the biggest problems is that the links aren't clickable. And I pointed that out and I said, the biggest issue is that these links aren't actually clickable. And someone actually commented that you have to upload at least 5 pages, as you can see here, for order to work. A lot of people don't tell you this, but you have to make 5 pages or before your link be able to clickable. All right, so I took that idea and suggestion and I actually added one more ebook that was 24 pages to see if maybe that was the problem. And when I uploaded it, that still didn't work. The links still weren't clickable, so I have to disagree with Carl here, who says that you have to upload 5 pages or more. So that was problem number 1. Problem number 2 is getting traffic. Now that's the hardest part that most people have when it comes to affiliate marketing and making money online, is you have to get traffic to your offers. And this is no exception. People aren't going to magically just go over to Skillshare and look at your content and automatically just click on your links. You have to find a way to drive traffic to it. And again, if you're going to do the work of driving traffic to Skillshare or SlideShare, you might as well just drive traffic to your own landing pages or your own blog or YouTube channel. So in my opinion, there were a number of problems with this method. Okay, so now that we have talked about the background, the underlying issues that I had, let's go ahead and see if I have any traffic. Now, in the original video, I had about 3 views over the past week. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks since then. Let's go ahead and take a look at my analytics. So if we look at this, I have had 10 total views, and I believe most of these views are mine. So if we look, I first uploaded November 5th. Today's the 25th, so it's been exactly 20 days. If we look at this, you can see that this really isn't working at all. I've had 5 views on the complete guide to the soulmate search and how to find your one true love. I've had 3 views on affiliate marketing made easy and 2 views on the ultimate guide to landscaping ideas you wish you had known before. Now, if we look at this right here, you can see this is the one that's 24 pages. You can see that these links still aren't clickable. And my issue with this is that, as you can see here, I'm trying to click on these links. If people can read the entire blog post or article, there's no incentive for them to actually download it. What's the incentive for them to download this to your computer? And that's why I don't think this is working. As you can see, I actually had 1 download, and that might have been me. I've had 1 download in 20 days over my 3 uploads. So again, in my opinion, this doesn't work, okay? The main problem, there's a number of them. The main problem is that the links that they told you are clickable aren't clickable. All right, so you can't click on any of these. I don't see a reason why someone would be compelled to download this article just to click on the links, because they can read the entire blog post or the entire ebook, whatever you want to call it, right in here to get the information that they need. Also, you have to find a way to drive traffic. Most people wrongly or incorrectly assume that just because you put content on the internet, people are going to gravitate to it. What you could do in theory is you could drive traffic to this web page through social media. So you could do TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. But if you're going to do that, you might as well send them to your own blog or website, send them to your own landing pages, send them to your content, and skip making SlideShare rich, because SlideShare actually makes money when people view your content. You can see here that, this just, in my opinion, doesn't work. 10 views. The most viewed one is about finding a spouse or find a significant other. I think there are way better opportunities. You could actually use Writer, if you wanted to help you get an outline, and you could use that outline to make YouTube videos or TikTok posts. You could take advantage of AI software as long as you're using it correctly. Another problem with this method was simply that the original content creator made it seem like you just push a button and it's going to spit out high quality articles, ebooks, or blog posts. When in reality, with AI software, it has to be massaged. You have to read it. In fact, with some of these, I actually had to go back and add additional content because it kept repeating itself. Now, I have used a number of different AI writing tools. They're all okay, but you have to remember that it's just AI. You have to make sure that you are massaging it and giving it good direction, or else it's going to spit out junk. So in my opinion, the initial video doesn't hold a lot of water. What I recommend that you do, and I'm a huge proponent of this, create your own content. Be original. Again, you can use this software as an outline. If you wanted to, you could go find like 5 ways to fall in love, and then expound on it with a YouTube video or a TikTok or a YouTube short, Instagram reel, whatever it may be. If you wanted to, you could start a free Facebook group and use this as ideas and inspiration. What I would actually do, another trick you could use, is, so I'm just going to click on start typing here. I'm going to continue with Google just to run through this, but we could actually use this to help us make Facebook posts. So what we could do is go over to select a use case. We could do blog ideas and outline, and then say something like, we'll do make money online, like that. Start typing just like this. Okay, so I'm out of credit. So let's say that it came up with a few ideas to help me make money online. I could then, if I was going to do a Facebook group, I could join a bunch of Facebook groups, and I would go over to Canva like this, and then I would make Facebook posts to help people solve a problem. This is a much better way, and this is a much more sustainable way than trying to rely on SlideShare, because I think that SlideShare is really competitive. I don't think it's a very good long-term strategy. I, in my opinion, want you to create content, create your own unique original content. For example, if we come over to Facebook, we could do something like, we could do Facebook, I spelled Facebook wrong, but that's okay. Facebook photo. So if we did Facebook photo, we can just grab one of these like this, and then we can make something that is unique and original and attract people that want help. There are probably 50, 60 ways to make money online that are better than what was discussed in the original content. So what we could do here is we could actually, I'm just going to undo this. Can I get rid of, I want to keep this. What we can do, I'm going to get rid of this. So what we could do is we could come over here to our elements and just make something that's more appealing, engaging, and we could attract people that are interested, because unfortunately with Facebook groups, there's a lot of junk or filth in the way. And if you create decent content, you can be successful online. All right. So what I urge you to do, I strongly urge you guys to create content. I can help you create content if you want to learn how to create the right kind of content, but I strongly urge you to stop trying to find the no work, quick fix, low effort, low quality stuff, because it just doesn't work. It may have worked 5 years ago when there wasn't as much content, but because of what we've gone through over the last 3 years, there is lots of people that are creating content. So we could say like, we could do something like affiliate marketing tips like this. Let's go like that. And then we could actually just provide 5 tips or 10 tips. And this is going to be a much better way to be successful online, instead of just trying to go with these shortcuts, trying to rely on other stuff, and that other stuff just doesn't work for you. The original video, which claimed that you can make $2,300 per week with no effort, letting the AI do all the work, it doesn't work, okay? Unfortunately, I was like you at one point. I was looking for the quick fix, the low effort, the done for you type of stuff. And that stuff led me down a path of frustration, anger, annoyance, because I kept trying all of these things and none of them would work. I would think there was something wrong with me, when in reality, there's nothing wrong with you. The problem is with the method that's being taught. Can you make money online? Yes, of course, absolutely. People that make money online create their own unique original content. And if you want to make money online, you need to create your own unique original content. That's how you're successful. Watch this video next because YouTube says it'll help you grow your online business.